Americanly is the new picture book from Lynn Parrish Sutton with illustrations by Melanie Hope Greenberg. Whether you love them colossally like the high Cascades, bountifully like the Everglades, or soaringly like a ninth-inning fly, Americanly's exploration of the United States will have you shouting, "I love you shiningly, freely, Americanly." Americanly is a declaration of love for family and country that includes America's geographical wonders, cities and monuments, as well as its founding ideals and quintessential experiences. The reassuring, informative text overflows with I love yous, adverbs, and rhymes, while the bright and playful illustrations bring to life the unique and varied beauty of the United States. The release of Americanly coincides with the celebration of the National Park Service's 100th birthday. Here's to preserving and appreciating the rare beauty of our shared country. From sea to sea, it's Americanly.